I don't want her giving the baby cross.
So these aren't side effects from the vaccine, it is the virus. You're certain?
Yes.
No, he can't be. Maya died from a heart attack, which is not a symptom of the virus.
But liver failure is, and that's what caused her blood pressure to drop. And the fevers, the delirium, the hemorrhaging. And there is no other explanation.
There is one, we just haven't found it yet.
Whoa. What's your solution?
IVIG, passive immunization.
It could kill her.
Kill who?
Beatrice. He wants to use the plasma from her blood and inject it directly into the patient.
To give them her antibodies.
No, Quincy. The amount of blood that we'd need to take from Beatrice, I am not willing to risk her life.
Well, I'm not going to sit here and watch them die.
You are too important, Beatrice. And if it's not the virus that's causing this, it won't make the slightest bit of difference.
But if it is the virus, we can save them, we can manage it.
If there's a chance, we have to take it.
I'm willing to do stuff. And
How are you feeling?
just a little tired.
All right, take a sip of this.
Good cars, test results.
Speak. Speak. Is that nice? Is it nice, Sasha?
I wasn't sure it was my place to tell you, but if it were me,
Is it nice?
I'd want
Is
to
it a lovely, lovely lollipop? Sashi. Sit.
Tara's pregnant.
Sit. Was it nice? Good girl. How nice was it? Was it nice? Ooh, good girl.